Okay, let's begin. First question is likewise. What have you done today?
I have done my work today.
What types of work have you done?
I have cooked Chinese food.
Where have you traveled recently?
I have traveled London Bridge recently.
Have you been to Europe?
No, I haven't been to Europe.
When have you last spoken to your friend?
I have last spoken to my friend last weekend.
What have you discussed with him?
I have discussed about the new business with him.
Why have you studied so hard?
I have studied so hard because I am fully dedicated towards my career.
How many hours have you read in a day?
I have studied 6 hours in a day.
How have you improved your skills?
I have improved my skills by regular practice.
Who has influenced your decision?
This has influenced my decision.
Have you finished your project?
Yes, I have finished my project.
Whose ideas have you implemented in your project?
I have implemented Mr. Durga ideas in my project.
Miss Durga's ideas. Miss Durga's.
I have impro- I have implemented Ms. Durga's ideas in my project.
Okay, let me ask you again. Whose ideas have you implemented in your project?
I have implemented Ms. Durga ideas in my project.
Which book have you read lately?
I have I have read history books recently.
Okay, where have you bought that book from?
I have bought their books from PP Stationery.
Whom have you met at the conference?
I have met Mr. Dalbir at the conference.
Which places have you visited in the past year?
I have visited London Bridge in the past year.
Have you visited that museum before?
Yes, I have visited that museum before.
Have you ever prepared sushi?
Yes, I have prepared sushi.
Have you found the missing keys?
Yes, I have found the missing piece.
Has your brother returned from the trip?
My brother has returned from the trip.
Okay, you have to tell yes or no also. Has your brother returned from your trip?
Yes, yes, my brother has returned from the trip.
Have you received the email that I sent?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have received. Yes,
Okay,
I have received
okay,
the email you
yeah,
sent.
I have received the email that I sent. Okay, I'll ask you a question again. Have you received the email that I sent?
Yes, I have received the email you sent.
Okay, thank you very much.